First, let's open up your preferred web browser. Once it's open, go to Google and type Redragon in the search bar. Look for the official Redragon website in the search results. It should be one of the top results, labeled as the official site. Click on the link to enter the website. Once you're on the website, go to the top of the page and click on the Download tab. This will take you to the section where you can find software for various Redragon products. Here, you'll see a list of Redragon products such as mice, keyboards, headsets, and more. Locate your specific product from the list. For example, if you have a Redragon mouse, click on the mouse category. A new window will appear with the available software for your mouse. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. You'll see that the file is in a compressed or zipped format. Right-click on the file and select Extract to unzip it. After extracting the file, look for the exe file inside the folder. Double-click on it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the software for your Redragon mouse. Now you can customize your mouse settings to fit your preferences.